In this video tutorial, what we're going to look at doing is how we can add a new blog post to the website. And so when we say blog post, there may be a particular part on your website. For example, this website has a news section, and you'll see that underneath that there's all different articles placed under there. So they're actually what we'd call a post or a blog post, or in this case a news item. And we're going to show you how to do that. It's nice and easy. So we're just going to be looking at adding a new blog post. Into this particular example, we want to show the program for July. So it's nice and easy because we're already logged in. So there's a couple of different ways, but because we're already logged in, this is the easiest way. Just to click on here, click on new post. So just being aware that to click on the post option, because this is going to be a new news article / blog post. And it's nice and easy. A few things to consider over on the right hand side. You may have to tick the particular category that you want it to go in. So everyone needs to be ticked, and this one is going to go into the news category. So when we click on the news section, it will show all these posts that are particular to that category. So it's nice and easy. So we're going to give our blog post a name. So you could have all this already done in a Word document or a text file, something like that. So you can just cut and paste over here. And so what are we going to call this one? It's going to be the July, something good heading, July 2008. And we'll call it vacation program. Nice and easy. And what you do then is then add all your additional text in there as well. So let's just say, please download the PDF file, and we'll add that here. We'll show a different tutorial on how to add a PDF file. And let's add that as PDF, and add that here, and then we can go in here and we can start to add additional information. And like I say, you'd already could have this written out in a Word file, so you can just copy and paste. So I'm just going to copy and paste from an existing file. It's important to paste as plain text. I'm just going to place that there, and then we can just highlight some more text and add that underneath here. And once again, just pasting that as plain text, and we can just format it easily. We can just click on there, so you can kind of see that that's been added. And what we might do here is just format this text. Let's call that a heading 2, and then for each date we'll have a heading 3. So don't worry about using heading 1. That's reserved for that main title of the page. So just use those other ones. And so you can kind of see how we can just add the text as we need to below it there, and we can continue on doing that. So this is just pretty much a nice and easy way just to show you how to create a new news article or a blog post. So we've ticked that, we're happy with that. And so now, just say you added all your text, you just click publish. That means it goes live. And so when you view the post, we can see that that's been added as a post. And then when we go to the news section, we can also see that that has been added to the website. So just another little thing here that I'll show you. And because what it does is if you just add this, just say this was a really long news post, it would be a really long bit of text there. What we can actually do, and this is a good little trick to know, is when you go back to the post itself and click edit post, we've got this option here that says insert read more tag, and I'll show you exactly what that does. So just say, for example, we add that cursor right there, and then we click on that insert read more tag. So you can kind of see this showing it there, and I'm just going to click update. So when we add that and then we view the post, you'll see that nothing seems to have changed. But when we go over into the news section, which shows all our posts, we can see that there's a continue reading text has been added there, right where we added that insert more, read more option there. So that's a little trick for you to do if you don't want to have really long your post displaying really long on your category section there of news, and just keeps it a little bit cleaner. So anyway, that was just showing you how to add a new post / news article, blog post, etc. So if you've got any questions, just please ask below.